Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nifty City channel after a very long time. कैसे हैं आप सभी? I hope everyone's doing good. सबकी ट्रेडिंग इन्वेस्टिंग जर्नी अच्छे से जा रही है. Just to add a little more value after a long time, थोड़ा और एक्टिव होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So we're going to come out. Today's video is going to be all about Nifty, Bank Nifty, detailed analysis across various time frames, of course. एक ब्रॉडर टाइम फ्रेम, स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम में क्या हो रहा है एग्जैक्टली. ऑल्सो फॉर दिस न्यू बुल रन वी आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कसिंग 5 important stocks that can perform very well in the coming bull run. As usual, all the stocks are going to be F&O stocks, so you can make full use of them. तो लंबा होगा थोड़ा सा वीडियो, बट एंड तक देखना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो होगा. एंड आई होप आप सबको काफ़ी अच्छी लर्निंग मिलेगी इस वीडियो के थ्रू. तो सबसे पहले लेट्स कम डाउन टू निफ्टी कि निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है. सो ऑब्वियसली 18,000 के ऊपर हमको क्लोजिंग मिल चुकी है डिस्पाइट द फेड हाइक. वी हैड अ स्मॉल डिप टुवर्ड्स 17,950 के आसपास, बट इमीडिएट बाउंस बैक हुआ which shows the underlying strength in Nifty. Now, as we know, FII buying is being done continuously since the past 3-4 days. So good FII buying is also supporting 18,000 OI open interest point of view. Say 18,000 is an important support for weekly as well as November monthly series. Okay, it has the highest open interest, so very good support. Now coming down to technicals of the chart. So now what I have is Nifty spot weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. Each candle represents 1 week. Now what we had here is, so मैंने सब indicators सब कुछ hide करके रखा है. Obviously, I will show you guys the levels and everything, what we're expecting. So what we had is we had a nice impulse. ठीक है, here we made a low, then we made a lower high. Okay, तो ये हमारा एक high हो गया था, ये एक low हो गया था. We made a lower high here. Then we fell down, we made a lower low. So this is technically a downtrend, right? Then we went up, again we made a lower high, again we went down. This is a lower low. Now what happens here is we go back up, we don't make a higher high, but we touch the similar highs. Okay. Now we go down, we don't make a lower low as well. Now we are looking to break out of this high. So this structure, if we get a closing above these highs, okay, technically we have got a closing 3 rupees. I think this high is somewhere around 18,114. We've got a closing of 18,117 here. Important resistance के ऊपर closing मिला है on a weekly basis, which is good. But एक follow through candle अगर हमको इधर मिल जाता है तो we will get more better confirmation that now the trend is confirmed uptrend, right? So this is a technical perspective. We have broken the lower high, lower low sequence, and now we're looking for a higher high, higher low kind of a sequence. So definitely market is looking bullish. Now coming down to daily time frame. Okay, what do we have on the daily time frame? Now, as you can see on the daily time frame, we had this important resistance point here, which we have broken. Okay, which was 18,096. Yeah, 18,100 का point है, which we have broken. Now there was an attempt before as well. Okay, इधर भी एक attempt हुआ था जो fail हो गया. Reason for that failure could be mainly due to the Fed event. एक बड़े event के पहले थोड़ा cautious होते हैं बड़े players. That's why maybe the strength wasn't there. But now that event is out of the way, now we can definitely look for an upswing. So immediately what would be our trigger? Immediate trigger would be crossing this high, which is around 18,175. Okay, this would be our immediate trigger. या तो आप इधर लोस पे बाय कर लेते हैं, राइट, या तो ये हाई के ऊपर आप बाय कर सकते हैं. इन बिटवीन दिस विल बी अ नो ट्रेडिंग जोन, right? Now, time and again, so a lot of people made full use of the Diwali offer, joined the premium group. Time and again, my stance in the premium group has been that I am bullish. Okay. So, yesterday also, when the market was consolidating, we had clearly said that I'm carrying longs for the next week. तो मेरा थोड़ा bias long side के तरफ ज़्यादा रहेगा for obvious reasons. Now we move down to the hourly time frame. Okay, now on the hourly time frame, so let me remove this. Okay, now on the hourly time frame, if you see right from here, okay, which is somewhere around the 17th of October, on the hourly time frame, we have not closed below the 21 EMA. This red line is the 21 EMA. Okay, so below the 21 EMA, we have not closed on the hourly time frame. Right up till when? So there was one attempt made here, there was here. So all these are buying opportunities in an uptrend. Okay, right up till when we had the dip. Okay, this was the Fed event ke baad wala din, where there was a closing below the 21 EMA, but still, despite that, there has been buying and we have gone above the 21 EMA again. So when you buy, okay, suppose this is the main resistance zone now for us, 175 के आसपास. इसके closing के ऊपर when you buy, your immediate stop loss should be the 21 EMA. Okay, this should be your immediate trailing stop loss, right? So 21 EMA as of now is around 18,050 का level आप पकड़ सकते हैं. This should be your trailing stop loss. If I tell you from a macro big perspective, then definitely our important support zone is going to be 17,770 से लेके 17,800. This is the important support zone. If you can see, there is one gap pending here. Maximum, it is okay for Nifty to come and fill this gap. Still, the Nifty will be in an uptrend only. It is okay for it to fill this gap. But if it closes below this zone, then it can be a signal that either एक intermediate top बन चुका है, जो होने के chances काफी कम है as of today. But still, we have to keep that possibility also in mind, right? Now coming down to the even smaller time frame. Now this is the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Now as you can see, we had this dip, directly dip पे buying हुई है. Now we have certain swing points here. Okay, now this is going to be, so this is मोटा मोटी 18,000 वाला zone. Okay, so and इधर एक bottom लगा है हमारा 17,950. So 950 से लेके 18,000, this is going to be a crucial support for us. Immediate support in case of any global reasons के वजह से कुछ dip आता है etc. This is going to be our intraday immediate support. Okay, so मोटा मोटी what we can say is 17,950 से लेके 18,050 is a good buying zone. Okay, अगर dip होता है, it is a buy on dip market, it is a good buying zone. Now if we move up, what are our targets? Okay, so if we move up, again I'm taking you guys to the weekly chart. If we move up, first target should be 18,350, जो हमारा ये second wave का swing लगा था. So 18,350 and then of course our all-time high of 18,604. These are going to be our two targets, provided we get a closing above 18,175. Okay, so if we get a closing above 18,175, you can directly go and buy for these targets. If you get it somewhere around 17,950 to 18,050 on dips, you can buy in this zone. Okay, below 17,950, you can look for a small short trade for 17,750 के आसपास का trade, 17,750, 17,800 का trade. Below these zones, of course, below 17,700, Nifty will become negative. Okay, then we may see retest of 17,000, but that is दूर की कहानी. Let's focus on what is happening right now. So right now, what our focus should be, that we target 18,350. SGX has closed at 18,300. Okay, so SGX is also showing a bullish sign. Dow Jones US market has closed 1.5% positive. Despite the rate hike, FIIs are buying. Everything is looking positive. Now coming down to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is very easy right now to trade. All you have to do is wait with patience. Why am I saying that? Now this is Bank Nifty daily chart. Okay, so Bank Nifty daily chart में, as you can see, we had a very good uptrending market. We made a dip. Okay, somewhere around here, एक fake breakdown दिया. Immediately we had a bullish engulfing, and we have moved ahead. Now what is happening is that we are stuck in this range. Okay, this rectangular box के range में since the past 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 days we are stuck in this range. Now this range is from what point to what point? Okay, now if you see all these levels I have drawn here, so bottom of this range is 40,839. ओके, तो 40,850 आप पकड़ लीजिए इज द बॉटम ऑफ द रेंज, जहां से हमने एक बार दो बार सपोर्ट लिया है. Now, what is the top of this range? This top of the range is somewhere around 41,650. Okay, so technically this is your range. But in case you want to be ultra safe to play the upside or the short side, what you can do is this was our top 41,840. Okay, now 41,840 से लेके 40,840. This is a 1,000 point range. Minimum 2,000 point I am expecting movement either side on, या तो ये breakdown हो या तो ये breakout हो. Either side minimum 2,000 points I'm expecting. Sorry. So even if I draw Fibonacci and show you guys, okay, I'll just convert this to weekly. So if I draw Fibonacci right from the bottom to the top, you can see 38.2% के आसपास हमने सपोर्ट लिया था. दैट इज अराउंड 38,200 के आसपास हमने सपोर्ट लिया था. सो व्हाट आर टारगेट्स नाउ गोइंग अप? सेम फिबोनाची यूज करेंगे तो 44,437 इज आवर फर्स्ट टारगेट, राइट? सो इफ आई से 2,000 पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम दिस ब्रेकआउट, इट कम्स टू 43,840. तो मोटा मोटा आप 44,000 का टारगेट पकड़ सकते हैं. ओके, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज फ्रॉम अ ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव, लॉन्ग टर्म. दिस इज नॉट फॉर द कमिंग वीक. तो 44,000 का जाके कॉल मत खरीद लेना, राइट? सो दिस इज द बॉर्डर पर्सपेक्टिव. इफ वी गेट अ ब्रेकआउट विच लुक्स लाइकली, ठीक है, वाई इट लुक्स लाइकली, एक सेकेंड ना, मैं थोड़ा पानी पी लेता हूँ यार. वाई डज इट लुक लाइकली कि ब्रेकआउट होने वाला है? रीजन इज हम ऑल टाइम हाई के इधर कंसोलिडेट कर रहे हैं, एक बेस बना रहे हैं. ओके, सो वेन एवर एक क्रूशियल रेजिस्टेंस सप्लाई जोन के पास हम टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, सो दिस इज अ बेस फॉर अ ब्रेकआउट. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर सप्लाई बहुत स्ट्रांग रहता तो डायरेक्टली यू वुड सी अ डिप. बट लाइक वी सॉ दिस टाइम, एक अटेम्प्ट किया एंड देन वी डिडंट स्पेंड टाइम हियर. ओके, हियर इन अ टाइट रेंज वी हैव कंसोलिडेटेड. सो मोर प्रोबेबिलिटी, ऐसा नहीं है ब्रेकडाउन नहीं हो सकता, हो सकता है, बट मोर प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, शेयर मार्केट ट्रेडिंग इज ऑल अबाउट प्रोबेबिलिटी, रिस्क रिवॉर्ड. So more probability is towards breakout. I've given you the targets. Now, if you look at this from the smaller time frame, so this is the hourly time frame. Hourly time frame पे 50 EMA we have held on to the 50 EMA. In Nifty, if you see, we've held on to the 21 EMA. So Nifty has been stronger in the past 2 weeks from Bank Nifty. So it is a possibility that Bank Nifty may now outperform Nifty, right? Both are very close to the all-time highs. So दोनों अभी एक sync में आ चुके हैं. Now, if I talk from the smaller perspective, 15-minute time frame के perspective में, immediate resistance is going to be 41,500, 41,530 to be exact. Okay, maximum call writing. Okay, resistance point of view से 41,500 पे है. As soon as 41,500 breaks, it sustains for half an hour above 41,500, you will see a good uptrend. Okay, there will be short covering that will happen in Bank Nifty, and you can see a nice uptrend. So that was all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we're going to talk about 5 very crucial stocks. Okay. सबसे पहले what I'll talk about is Reliance. Okay. ये Reliance का, sorry about that, ये Reliance का weekly chart है. Now as you can see, Reliance के weekly chart पे we have this trend line and we are broken out. Okay. Similar pattern was seen. So this is thoda past data I will show you. So here you can see we have an uptrend. Uptrend के बाद एक fall and then we got stuck in this range. Then we had a breakout after that. Then we had a breakout, fall, stuck in range. Okay. Now again we are breaking out of this range right here. Okay, you can see this trend line. We have broken out of the range. Nifty is also looking bullish. Reliance is the heavyweight of Nifty. Okay, most weighted stock of Nifty. Looking very good. This is supporting my bullish view that Reliance is also giving a breakout. Minimum target 2751. Moment it breaks this high 2859, then definitely we will see targets of 3,000 plus. So that was all about Reliance. Now coming down to our second stock, which is Pidilite. Okay, now Pidilite Industries, beautiful setup. Why am I saying that? From a Fibonacci point of view, this was the low that we made on 13 June to the high, exact 38.2% retrace भी हुआ है. Point number one. पॉइंट नंबर टू, प्रीवियस स्विंग को रीटेस्ट किया है. एक इधर ब्रेकआउट हुआ था जो फेल हो गया. ये सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट हुआ ब्रेकआउट का, क्लीन ब्रेकआउट हुआ, पूरे ब्रेकआउट को रीटेस्ट किया है. पॉइंट नंबर थ्री, जब ये कंटिन्यूएशन देगा, ये ट्रेंड लाइन जो एक इमीडिएट रेजिस्टेंस था, वो ट्रेंड लाइन का भी ब्रेकआउट करेगा. अगर आप डेली चार्ट पे देखेंगे तो ये डेली चार्ट पे 50 EMA और 21 EMA क्रॉसओवर भी हो जाएगा. सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फ्लुएंसेस इन पिडिलाइट. 2650 के लेवल के ऊपर क्लोज होते ही पिडिलाइट विल बी अ बुलिश बेट. What will be our targets? My long-term investment target will definitely be 3172. Okay, which is my Fibonacci first extension level, 3172. F&O players, as soon as 2700 breaks, you can target 2900. Very simple. ठीक है, simple targets है for the month of November. Now coming down to large cap stock, Ultratech Cement. Now, what is Ultratech Cement doing? Ultratech Cement has created somewhat of a inverted head and shoulder breakout दे रहा है ये. Very good volumes, as you can see. Minimum target 7,911 is going to be our target. Actual target should be the length of the head and shoulder में, but we are doing conservative target of 7,911. Okay, जहां हमने पहले भी resistance face किया हुआ है. चार्ट इज मोर और लेस सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी. अगर आप ये ब्रेकआउट पे ट्रेड लेते हैं, योर स्टॉप लॉस शुड बी below this candle, okay, which will also be below the 21.9 EMA, which will be a trend deciding level. So that is about Ultratech Cement. Now this is a very good pick, Chola. Okay, Chola Mandalam Investments. So here what do we have? Here we, why this came on my radar, here we had a unusual volume activity. Okay, आप देखेंगे over 5 million का volume था इधर. So this is a unusual volume activity. उसके बाद, so this I had also mentioned in the premium group that this is looking a very good stock because ये काफी टाइम से एक रेंज में अटका हुआ था. ये रेंज का इसने अभी ब्रेकआउट दे दिया है. So this is looking very good. In the next bull run, mid caps have not yet outperformed. Now we may see mid caps and small caps also joining the rally. So it is important that we focus on mid caps and small caps more. So we've spoken about 2-3 large caps. So now from the mid cap small cap space, this is a very good investment opportunity. So Chola, very good volumes, breakout of range, also taking support at 200 EMA. So this is also looking good. What will be our targets? Okay, our targets will definitely, we'll be targeting the all-time high 817. Can cross this also, but 817 first target, and then you can keep trailing. Now IEX. Okay, as we know, IEX one-time investor favorite stock, काफी ज्यादा पिट चुका था. Okay, अगर आप देखेंगे more than 40% 50% stock down है अपने all-time high से. Now whenever we have a downtrend, okay, we have a downtrend like this pattern, what I have marked here, is very strong. Okay, this is a morning star pattern, very strong pattern, 3 candle pattern. Now what we have here is we had decent volume build up. We have this pattern here. Also we have a RSI breakout. Okay, so all the 3 things are very good. Important trigger was that it crosses the 21 EMA. It has crossed the 21 EMA. I have put this in the free group as well as the premium as well as the free Telegram group. दोनों जगह अपडेट किया था मैंने. This is looking very good for a target of minimum, this size 51 EMA भी coincide हो जाएगा ये 50 EMA 145 147 के आसपास. And उसके बाद का target is 152.5, which was our previous support, which will now turn into a resistance. Moment it crosses this, then the sky is the limit. You can keep trailing. But right now, very good fundamentally sound company. Right now, इतने डाउन ट्रेंड के बाद it's trying to reverse, which is a very good sign. RSI has also given a breakout, good volumes. Everything is good in the stock right now from a technical point of view. So these were our 5 stocks for the upcoming bull run, as well as we've discussed Nifty, Bank Nifty. To summarize everything, I am pretty bullish on the index right now. Obviously, we will keep updating our premium members in case of any changes, live data analysis karke. We have been giving market commentary. So if you want to join, the links are in the description. You can join. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. It helps us create more content for you guys. Content like this, which will be useful for you in the future. Cheers. Have a great trading session ahead. Enjoy the bull run. Enjoy your portfolios growing. All the best.